This is exactly how you memorize medical and anatomical terminology in anatomy and physiology, or chapter 1. The first step is you want to memorize the levels of organization. So there's atomic to organismal, and then you want to memorize the organ systems, and specifically their function and the structures that are involved. Then next you want to make sure that you really hammer in and you really nail down the terminology. Anatomy and physiology in a sense is its own language, and you're not going to understand the rest of the course if you don't get this down. And the best way to get this down is to get a whiteboard, paper, or iPad, and you write down the terms on one side, and then you answer them on the other. And then you would do the same thing, but on the opposite side, where you would take the regular term that you would know and then write in the anatomical term. I would repeat that over and over again, or you could use an app like Quizlet. I have one of my own that you can take a look at. And once you have those down, you want to make sure you memorize your directional references next. You must know where each of these terms are in relation to one another. Once you have all those memorized, you can finally go to your diagram and start labeling it. You're going to do this over and over again until you know where everything is. And once you get this down, then you should start using your directional references and start practicing naming where everything is in relation to something else. And then you'll want to learn the quadrants of the body, and you want to learn whatever organ is in those, and you want to practice naming what organ is in each quadrant. And that's essentially how you should go about studying Chapter 1 or medical and anatomical terminology. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any other questions or want me to elaborate on anything else.